it's me, Boss Guy 25 DDD here. Welcome back to another video. So Allier has changed his channel to Mr. Stinker. What is this video called? What is this? What is this stuff? What is going on? It finally happened. Okay, his videos didn't change. Wait, how is this possible? Wait a second. Oh my gosh, it's still Allier. I didn't even know. No copyright. No. Eon Catch Gaming is here. I'm just gonna.
I bet you didn't know I was here.
They did.
Oh. I bet you $10 that you didn't know I was here, guys. Hi. Hi.
No, I'm gonna make this. Yes. I'm gonna make Allier's channel so cool. Guys, this is not disrespectful because
He didn't tell me what he did, and I have no clue what he's doing.
Guys, Allier is still is a cool YouTuber. I'm just doing something cool.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to publish this channel.
What the heck are you doing?
I am inspecting everything.
Are you trying to steal a channel and take it as your own?
I'm not. I don't want this channel.
But it has more subs than you.
No, it doesn't. It has 12 subs.
Isn't that your channel?
No. Is my name Allier?
Well, it says 12 subs.
It says I have 20 subs.
Oh.
I'm just gonna edit this to say stupid guys.
What are you doing?
I am making Allier's channel the best that there ever was.
I have a question.
What?
I don't know if he's gonna tell me this, what he did. So anyone that watches this, come to my channel, Eon Catch Gaming, as many of you probably already know. Some of you, anyways.
I'm just gonna make Allier's
in like the comments of like one of my videos. It doesn't matter. Just say what he did.
Okay. I'm gonna make Allier's, I think, wife or girlfriend. Her name is gonna be Lil Tay.
What are you doing?
Lil Tay now.
Can you please count what you're doing now?
No. I am going to make this. But no, it's chicken pizza. Yes, this is Allier's new channel. Here, let me share it with you, Eon.
Okay, what did you do?
So,
show me how you broke things.
It is Mr. Butt. He has 12 subscribers.
What did you do?
I made his channel better.
How did you do this?
But Little Tay. These are all good channels here.
How did you do this?
Chicken pizza. I'm going to change for.
How did you do this? Oh my. Oh. How are you? Why?
I'm just gonna inspect this. I'm gonna make this edit attribute. Dave is cool.
What are you doing? Is this not illegal?
I'm just gonna delete his channel completely.
I'm pretty sure you might get sued.
I will not get sued because I still love Allier.
No, you're probably gonna get sued if you delete his channel.
I'm not going to delete his channel because I cannot. Mr. Butt will be here forever, though. In our hearts. in our souls, and in our strength.
Oh, so it's not gonna stay like that forever?
No, it will not. I'm going to inspect this. I'm going to change this.
Oh my god. If you kept this, oh my gosh, this would be so funny. If it stayed like that.
Allier merch. Click here. Let's see if I can change this.
No one cares about his merch.
I don't. Dave! Ew, what? Sticky? Oh, Dave.
What have you done?
There we go. His
You
name.
made a popular channel stupid.
Cause it.
Make YouTube great again. This is how you do this. You must do this and make YouTube great again.
I'm going to delete.
What are you doing?
I don't
Please
know.
just tell me what you have done.
I have done everything.
So this won't stay like that. Oh my god.
There we go.
This is just... It's beautiful.
Mr. Butt.
Oh
Mr.
my
Butt,
God.
I'm sorry, but I'm
Don't
gonna
do
just
this to Sunday.
uploads. Not uploads. These are gonna be called my new little stinkers.
What?
Edit
Make
text.
Make it.
No.
Leave a dislike.
Stinkers. New stinkers.
What are you
New
doing?
stinkers every day.
What
Fortnite
is
Battle
that?
Royale, all videos.
Leave a dislike.
No,
Leave a dislike.
no. It's gonna be now I am dead. Now I am dead. Yay!
What have you done?
Yay! More cool.
More Ebola.
More
Just kidding. No Ebola.
Cool.
Ebola is
Ali. More cool butts.
There's two T's
More
in butt.
cool butts. And I put quotation marks for a reason.
Oh my. What have you done?
I have made this channel great again because Allier clickbaits too much.
Really? Oh my gosh.
He put eat. I'm just gonna put eat. I'm pretty sure I can. I'm pretty sure I can change this thumbnail though.
Oh my. If you can, make it a thumbnail of a giant butt.
I'm going to edit attribute
Oh
and
my
then
gosh.
paste my own. There we go.
You just took out his thumbnail.
Oh wait,
now
no.
Now re-put in a picture of like a cat.
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna.
I wish it would stay like this. That would just be beautiful.
Well, it will be in our hearts forever.
You have to take a screenshot of this.
Copy
and
image.
Send it to everyone we
Cop-
know. Just do that
Copy
real quick.
image. Edit attribute.
What is?
Edit attribute. Paste. There we go.
It's a potato.
Yes! Yes!
There you go.
I think I can inspect this and just put potato.
Potato, don't watch.
Edit attribute.
Do potato, don't watch. Potato.
What? Why no say potato?
Why you
Inspect.
don't say potato? I mean, if you could actually keep it like
Delete
this, that would be so
elements.
funny.
There we go.
Wouldn't that be so funny though if you could keep it like this?
Inspect. We're just
You
gonna
wanna
make.
know what I would do? I would make him have negative 3 billion subscribers.
Edit attribute.
That would mean almost half the people on the planet would have to subscribe to him so we could get back to 0.
Yay. This is now potato.
I don't see the word potato. I see
I'm going to
1.1
get
million
a dog. I'm
views.
going to get
A dog.
Borks McGee. McGee. Borks McGee.
What have you done?
This is Borks McGee. Copy image.
Jet, what are you doing?
I'm making his.
I just saw it. It's beautiful. It is Gabe with a superhero mask.
Edit attribute.
I wish you could keep it like this so much. That would be beautiful, wouldn't it?
Edit attribute. No.
Do you wanna know
Edit
what I would do?
attribute. Paste.
If I could change one thing about his
It
channel,
is Borks
I would
McGee.
make him have negative
It is
37
Borks
trillion
McGee.
subscribers.
It is the legendary Borks McGee. Now
It
we're gonna.
finally happened. Like, if you just look at the title of the video, it finally happened.
We're just gonna put Doge in here.
All memes deserve a place.
Images. Edit attribute. Paste the Doge. And now we will put Ali A memes images. Offended quad feed fap. I'm just gonna copy this image and then I'm gonna put it in another Ali A copy image. No, I don't want to copy this image. It sucks. It is the word. It is clickbait.
Jet, what have you done?
I have made Alie's channel great again.
Yeah. It's
What?
beautiful.
Why is Alie memes? What is this? I was put this in mine. No, copy image. Inspect this.
I mean, oh my god.
Edit this attributes.
It finally happened.
Then paste my own attributes.
Yo, Gabe.
What? Why is this not working? Fine, I'm just gonna put fart.
It finally happened.
I'm just gonna
Gabe
put
is in Fortnite Battle Royale.
quack.
Beautiful.
Quack. I'm just gonna put this rubber ducky in here. Why is this happening to me?
Of course. Life needs rubber duckies. Definitely. We all need rubber duckies.
I'm going to edit this.
I mean, seriously. This is just... Now I am dead.
There we
my
go.
God.
It doesn't work. So
Oh, you can't put it as a rubber ducky.
I'm just gonna edit.
I think we've caused enough chaos for one day.
No, I'm just gonna put one more. I must put the rubber ducky in.
Okay. Life needs
Edit
rubber
attribute.
duckies.
Paste. Inspect.
The rubber ducky.
Edit
That is the new
attributes.
jetpack. That is the new jetpack.
Paste. My image.
It would be so epic if it stayed like this, though, wouldn't it?
Inspect.
Wouldn't it be
Edit
awesome
attributes.
if it stayed like that? I wonder what I just thought. Imagine you went. Is this the same thing you did to give yourself that many Robux, but then it wasn't? Then it was fake.
Edit attribute.
Is that the same thing you did?
Yes, I am trying to edit the attributes.
I wonder what would happen if you went on to something you wanted to buy. Did
Paste the duckies.
do that to every one of his Fortnite videos.
Inspect.
Do that to every single one of his
Inspect.
Fortnite videos, Jet. Do it. Actually, that would probably take
Delete
30
elements.
years.
There we go. Now I am dead. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Just-
Please be sure to leave a
Before
like and
you
subscribe.
end, view all the chaos we have just caused. Mr. Scott, 12 subs.
Goodbye, guys.
Wait, just
No.